So, since last time I talked to you, pretty big news. I'm not living in Paris anymore. I live in the Bay Area. Maybe not the smartest move for timing, since it's so expensive here and we're jobless because of the coronavirus. So, anyway, I've been bored, but I've also been eating a lot. I gained about 3.5 kilos during this quarantine. So I've been doing yoga every morning. I've been doing the yoga with Adrian 30-day challenge, which is like 5 years old. I just woke up. Nathan is still asleep and it's currently 11:26. So this is literally where I do my yoga every day. We have a little backyard that we share with the landlord. So yeah, this is where I do it.
Here, finding. Inhale, halfway lift your version, flat back, and exhale, soften and
In case you can't tell, I really suck at this. I don't know how to do any poses. I struggle. And welcome to my bathroom. Yo, this one was hard though. Usually it's about like 10 or 15 minutes. This one was 30 minutes long. Like my arms are giving up on me right now. Okay, so skincare is done and I need some caffeine. And I like to have it outside because, I mean, weather's good right now, if you can tell. So, taste test. And now Nathan's awake! Hi, baby.
What's good? What the heck?
I'm vlogging today. I'm vlogging today.
Are you filming right now?
Yep.
Where'd you get that camera from?
Dude, I've had it for like years.
Oh.
Very good. So, we're gonna have brunch or what? It's like 1 p.m.
Yeah.
And then we go hike and have lunch.
Yeah, for sure. Quarantine! Ah.
Okay, let's eat. First thing he does when he wakes up, turn on this. So we have this leftover guacamole from yesterday night. We did some nachos. I'm thinking of doing it with these onion bagels from Trader Joe's. And salmon. Never mind, this is disgusting. Bon up!
Squasa.
Say exactly what I told you I would
Nice. What happens to the bagels? What am I supposed to do with the lime? Just squirt it on top?
do. Yeah, for salmon? I don't know. You do you.
I do me?
Arrête. What the? So stupid!
You said you do you!
Okay, taste test.
Sour.
No shit.
Woo! Salmon tastes good.
맛있어요?
Not bad.
So totally forgot to film it, but I made Nathan an iced latte. Kind of winged it. Didn't really know how to do it. Playing as usual. Is it good? Bad?
It's
Not bad?
It's pretty bad.
No, be honest.
It's good, it's good, it's good, it's good.
Okay.
I'm just joking.
So what I used Costco cold brew coffee. So I did the entire thing. Then I added some vanilla soy milk, a bit of creamer, Starbucks creamer, white chocolate mocha, of course. And then I added just a little bit of vanilla, this one, and cinnamon. And then I added whipped cream at the top and just sprinkled like more cinnamon on it. So yeah, we ate and now I'm feeling a smoothie for dessert. And now for my favorite moment of the day, makeup. I'm just gonna do it like simple, I think.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar.
Go away, Corona! Go away, Corona! And let us be free!
She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all they do just tryna score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Babe, you ready? So yeah, this is the final result. Very simple, very easy. And now we're gonna go. We have to go by Nathan's grandma's house to do something. Then maybe buy water, maybe a hike. Apparently he has to be back at 5 p.m. for a game online.
Turn right onto South 56th
So we
Street.
just went to Richmond?
Yeah.
To see Nathan's grandma. We stayed 6 feet away. We didn't touch each other. She was just like giving us.
Turn right onto South 56th Street.
So I don't know what's in it. We're
She
gonna...
said bulgogi.
bulgogi. Yay!
Now we have a lot of bulgogi.
Heck yeah. So yeah. And now we're gonna go to a regional park named Lake
In a quarter
Chabot.
mile, turn left onto
And we're gonna
Potrero
walk a
Avenue.
little because we got an hour and 40 minutes before Nathan has to game. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. And also, my mask is way too big for my fucking face, and this is the struggle of wearing makeup with a mask. She gave us a little letter. Oh,
예쁜
노른.
강아지 노른.
Noren. Is that me?
노른, yeah.
Oh.
It's supposed to be Loren, but she doesn't know how to write Noren.
Yeah.
So she wrote Noren.
I'm gonna put this here. What else we
Noren means
got?
yellow.
Really?
Yeah.
And this is. She gave us extra masks again.
Nice.
Should keep it for her.
We actually need that, yeah. What is the N95s?
Yeah.
Wow. I need those.
Yeah.
Continue on I.
And a lot of bulgogi.
Is it cooked or uncooked?
It's frozen, so I guess it's cooked already.
Okay, if it's frozen, then it's fine. It's already cooked. We can just make it at home.
Yeah.
But we have to eat the bulgogi that we already bought.
Yeah.
That one we have to eat because it's refrigerated, but this one's frozen,
Yeah.
so we can eat it like in a month.
Yeah, cause dude, like the best bulgogi is at Costco. You can get like a huge ass bulgogi for like 19 bucks, right?
Yeah, it's like it's a lot.
Yeah, and it's huge and it tastes like so good. It's so easy to make and it's legit, like it's legit. We'll show you.
No, well,
when-
actually, it doesn't taste really legit. It tastes like it's kind of it's made for white people, you know.
Yeah, well, for me it's legit because I'm white. Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like, you know, like mom's or bulgogi. We're gonna try the one that our grandma made, and we're gonna try that and kind of compare it between Costco and hers.
Okay. Let's see if we can taste the difference. I feel like the Costco one, it kind of tastes like a Korean restaurant one, you know, but tailored for white people, but with like a little bit more fat. So there's a bit of fat in it, but it's still like really good and juicy. San Francisco is right there. Wow.
Use the left 2 lanes.
Do not let your pets chase or harass lifeguards. We're just gonna take a little walk. I'm keeping my mask for now because there's people, but then we're gonna isolate
Children's
ourselves.
Memorial Grove.
Huh. Up we go.
Steep ass hill, huh?
Yep.
She was living in summer, flowers in her hair. These days, it's not easy, easy, easy. Ooh, 'cause you say you don't need me, need me, need me. Living in the summer, it didn't last too long. And no one never loved her.
Hand sanitizer time. Thank you. Well, this was a nice little walk. Now we're heading home. Trying to edit this, but of course my computer, oops, well, just crashed on me. Make me food. What we're gonna eat though?
You like my hair though?
No,
Beautiful, no?
no. What we're gonna eat?
Salad, chicken salad, because we ate nachos yesterday. This fucking knife sucks, dude.
It was loaded nachos. Oh wow, such a chef.
I can't cut though.
Salad. So we got our salad here. And we're having leftover poulet rôti. Okay, so here's our salad. We put salad, pickles. Nathan's obsessed with pickles. Got some tomatoes, some chicken from Costco, leftovers, really good, $4.99, buy it, and some vinaigrette for sauce. And there we go. Bon appétit. So we finished eating, it was pretty good, and now I'm gonna start editing this video if my computer lets me, and watch Ozark, I guess. Okay, so it is much later. It's currently midnight 52, and I'm hella tired, I'm hella oily. I've been trying to edit this bitch for a good 2 hours, but my computer is just not having it. It's too old and it keeps crashing all the time, so yeah, I'm tired. I'm just gonna take off my makeup and probably watch some YouTube videos and go to sleep. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you want to. And I'll see you later. Hopefully not next year, you know, but we never know. I hope you're doing okay wherever you are. And yep, bye.